All right, gang, welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. Hope everybody had a great day today. And as usual, gold was kind of flat today. But let's dive in now. I think we have some potential entries coming up soon. So let me just do our markers right quick and kind of get that going. Let's take a look. All right, so we did break above this level here, and now we have this new resistance level off the weekly time frame, right? So last week we failed to close above there. Now early in the week we're pushing up, made this top wick, but we might see more of a push up. I think we're gonna take out the highs, and it might flip later in the week, but I think there's still more room to push up. Um, but let's dive in. Let's go into the daily time frame here. Now let's take a look here. Look at the daily time frame here. Now, what's interesting about the daily is that we had this resistance level here, and we were making higher lows, and now this daily candle previously had closed above that range, and then we made a top wick, took out the highs, but then we came back and not much movement, but we made this little correction, close kind of back below in this range here. But as you can see now, gold made this bottom wick, and now it's starting to push up. Ultimately we want to break above that 24.77 high. So if we break above the previous daily high, that's where I think we're going to drive up. But there's a long ways to get up there, so nearly like 100 pips or so. So I'm not going to focus too much on taking the trades off the daily, but that's the level we're at. So I feel like we are going to continue to move up here. um let's take a look. Or if we break the previous daily lows, all right, if we drive down and break below that 24.58 and change, if we break below the daily low here, we probably drive down here. So that's also an option as well. But let's take a look at the 4 hour here. And as far as the 4 hour, right, this is our resistance level here, and we're in this small range here. So this is where we are in the 4 hour time frame, right? So we're kind of ranging right in here, but I feel like we're gonna start making a move up, even if it's to retest this high here. So um, we might be looking at potential entries here soon. Let me look at the lower time frames. So that's our range here off the 4 hour at the moment. So I want to see if we're going to get a closure above, or we're going to get a push to the upside. But our entries can come off the smaller time frames. All right, look at the 1 hour. So look at the 1 hour. This is what we have here. Look at that wick here. We have that low here. So we're in this range on the 1 hour, right? So we failed to break below, came down, close enough, but we did make a pullback here after tapping the resistance level here. We made a pullback here, and now we took out the previous 1 hour highs, right? So you see how we're pushing up here? Yeah, we might have an entry here, gang. Yeah, 30-minute came up, pushed out. Let's see. Man, we might have missed a move here, gang. Yeah, it took out the highs here already. But let me look at the 1 hour. We might have an entry at the 1 hour closure here, 9 minutes. I'm gonna stay patient here. I want to see, because this could be a big move up. It's an engulfing candle, of course, here, taking out the previous highs, but this previous 1 hour had no top wick, so it could just come up, make that top wick, and then reflip bearish. Excuse me. So let's wait here in the next 8 to 9 minutes, and I wanna see if we're gonna if this candle gives us a top wick, then we could be taking that trade at the break of the highs here. So let's see what happens in the next couple of minutes. But let's wait for now. Either way, I wouldn't have. Well, maybe off the 30. Yeah, I probably would have taken this move off the 30, but there's still levels to break. We got to break above this resistance or below the support. So we'll wait. Let's stay patient and let the candles print. I'm gonna wait for the 1 hour either way. So yeah, let's keep an eye on 1 hour here. Also, the 4 hour closes in the next 7 minutes. So that 1 hour closure is also the 4 hour closure, and you can see how the 4 hour had come down, was bearish. Now it flipped bullish. So if we get a nice little bullish hammer here, I just want to get a top wick here. So I might, we can take it even off the 4 hour depending. Yeah, we get a little bit of a pullback here. We get a top wick. I'll take it off the break of the highs there. Let's see. Let's keep an eye on it for now. You don't have much of a bottom wick here though, but the 4 hour has a pretty nice bottom wick. Yeah, so we get something similar to this, more or less. Let's say it was to close here. Now we'll definitely wait for a bottom wick, and then from the re-break of the highs, we should take that rest of the ride up, at least to come back and retest up here. That's still a pretty nice move, but we'll see. This thing might make this top wick and then flip bearish and then continue to drive down. So that can happen as well. While we wait for that, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. It's been rallying up. Yeah, look at this ride on the NASDAQ. Oh, nice. That's been running up. NAS still has this gap to fill, gang. NASDAQ is still... We have CPI coming in tomorrow, so, this thing could retest this level right here and then drive down. Yeah, so we had this range to fill here. Yeah, but it's made a nice pullback to the upside here. So once it broke below and retested, came down, you see how it broke back into this range. So it's in this range here. So this thing more likely can come and retap this level here before it drives back down. Now we start getting candles to start printing. We start getting some bearish confirmation. It might want to come back down, and then with news tomorrow, it's probably gonna come back to this low here, 17.4. Yeah, NASDAQ could be pretty interesting tomorrow. Yeah, US 30 is on the same boat. US 30 is extremely bearish. What's that? How did it close on the daily? Yeah, we got a daily bullish closure today. Broke this resistance level here. See, the US 30 took out this resistance level that it was rejecting here. This is off the daily. So we got a lot of rejections there. We got a push up, held up here. Then the last two candles have been below this level. And then today we broke above. Now, this could be a bottom wick to then flip up and continue. Might want to come up here, retest the highs at 41 and change. But we'll see. Could easily have been a fake out. If this candle comes and closes back below the range here, below this support level, then it's going to come back into the range. But yeah, US 30 looking a little bullish at the moment. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? All right, so we got these levels on Bitcoin here. This is the current level. We have it's in this little range here, formed this minor support level that correlates with this right here. But yeah, Bitcoin is a little unpredictable, but yeah, it's made this lower high, then a lower low here. Now it's making that correction. So this thing can kind of break below here and continue to drive down. What's this level? Yeah, Bitcoin could see 50,000, 50,000, 50,005 before it decides to run up. So, but yeah, I'm definitely staying out of Bitcoin for now. Maybe if it drops to that 50,000 or 40 something thousand, it'll get interesting to buy it up from there. All right, so back to gold. Let's take a look. Yeah, you see Bitcoin, gold, flip bearish again. Look, yeah, 1 hour is coming back down here. Yeah, we got 40 seconds left. This is not gonna flip bearish. I don't think in the last 35 seconds. But we did get a wick rejection here, so it came up, made this top wick, but this thing can flip and continue to the downside here. If we get in, we might get in for the sells, but not much range here to get in. Yeah, 37 pips. We'll see. You know, we're gonna get a bullish closure on the 1 hour, so it could still come down, make a bottom wick and flip. But if I take the entry here, it's definitely gonna be at the break of the highs here. Let's see what it does now. We start coming down, take out the lows first, then I'll have a buy stop at the break of the highs here. But I want a steeper bottom wick. I wanted a steeper bottom wick, but we might take this buy here, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have my entry at the break of the highs here. What's that high right here? 2467.50. Yeah, I'll set the levels in a segment. I'm gonna get ready to take that trade on my account here as well. activated yet. Okay, I'm activated, gang. All right, so I got in this buy here, and let's take a look. Came down, made a small bottom wick, but then pushed up and took out the highs here. My stops are going to be at the break. This square right below there. My take profit is going to target the highs up here. So, yep, 2384. 2480. Oh, I'm sorry, 2483. 484. Stops. Ooh, man, what the heck happened to the stops? Stops are below is about 24.59. There we go. All right, that's the trade right there, gang. Sorry, I have to get my settings correct. All right, so we're in here, gang. Let's see. See, we're gonna get that push now with some volume. Get a nice drive up. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I got in on. We did get these bearish closure, but we got these wick rejections here. The candle opened up, made a small bottom wick, but good enough for me. Once it came back up and rebroke the previous 4-hour highs, we took our entry there. Now it's all in the hands of probability, gang. That's it. We just wait it out, and we'll see. I have inflation data coming out tomorrow. It's going to be interesting. Gang, if you're watching, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're on stream, just hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. And we usually get plenty of volume around this time. So let's see if that volume is going to push us up. Any news? I don't think there's any particular news for Asia at the moment. Let's see, do we have anything coming out tonight? At 10 p.m. tonight, yeah, another, yeah, a little less than an hour. We got some news on the New Zealand dollar. What they call the official cash rate. Yeah, those are impact news for them. And then during London, or pre-London, should I say, there's some they got the British pound CPI coming out. That's 2 a.m. Eastern time. So yeah, there should be some volume coming in during London as well. But for now, it's what we got, gang. Alright, so yeah, this is where I'm gonna take my partials and go break even here. Once we come up and take out this wick high here, I'll go break even and take partials there. There we go, gang. We running now. There you go. That's 30 pips. Yeah, gang. I'm gonna buy now. I'm gonna buy. I got in at the break of the previous 4-hour highs. We've been in this buy for a little bit now. It's running about 11 pips at the moment. Yeah, we're running up now. I think we should come in at least, tap into this wick here. It's up 12 pips at the moment, so if you guys want to close out, take some partials, feel free. You can even go break even. Here we go back the 15 close bullish, 30 running bullish. This is the current 30. Previous close bearish. Previous 1 hour close bullish. Excuse me. Close bullish and previous 4 hour close bearish. Oh, we're making a nice run up, and yep. Yeah. We're running about 20 pips right now. There you go. Yep. We're running 20 plus pips at the moment. See, we're gonna run up here. These wick rejections was getting to me, because look at this wick rejection here. This one tried to push down, got rejected. This one pushed down, got rejected. This one didn't give us much of a bottom wick, but the market's been pushing off this level, so it should run up. There's a bit of a resistance level here, but I put that partials right at the wick here, so let's see. Yeah, gang. Um, yeah, I'm taking partials at 30 pips here once we tap into this wick here. Um, and the reason for that is because, we have this minor resistance here, and it's possible that price might want to, reject back down and continue to move down. But yeah, we're tapping into that target there. Did it tap me in? Oh, let me check. I think oh, this is the ON. Oh yeah, did it tap me in there? Oh, no, no. I'm still in it. I thought it tapped me in. It got close, but then when I checked, my broker hasn't tapped that target yet, but it will. Yeah, we made that nice push here. Let's see if we're gonna tap right in. I just need you to tap that target right there. Give me my partials, man. You know what, gang? We're up 28 pips. I went break even here just in case. Like I said, this minor resistance here, it did somewhat come up into that level, but just in case it wants to flip back. But yeah, let's go break even here, gang. Let's take the risk off the table. It's all house money now. So yeah, take that risk off the table, gang. Oh, there we go. All right. Partials taken. Yep, took partials there. All right. There we go. That was the push I was looking for. But yeah, we got a runner, gang. There we go. Easy squeezy, man. Another W here in the market for the Asia session. Yeah, we're gonna push up. This thing is running. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, we're running about 40 pips now. 40 something, 40 plus pips. All right, gang. Yeah, we good. We did break these highs here, but again, you see, notice this minor resistance right here. See where these two candles are? We did grab that wick here, took our partials. We spiked up here and so on, but we do have wick rejections here, of course. But look at this resistance level here. If I was to draw it up here for you guys, right? Look how we wicked right into it, and now we're getting somewhat pushed down. So, these little levels, even though you get all these lines on your chart and all that, but it's good to mark them so you can know, if we don't break above this level and we start getting that rejection, you would understand, like, oh, listen, let me shave some partials, or if we re-break this level where we took partials like that, you might want to, just close your runner if you want to just secure more profit. But I took a nice bag here, and I got a runner here. I closed about 60% of my position already. Yeah, if we break this, yeah, I want to break this level right here. We could break this. Shit's gonna run up to fill the range up here. I mean, look at this bullish candle. I mean, if you look at this on the 15-minute, this thing is freaking. Look at that. Yeah, so we had this like slanted correction here. You know, that could have been a bullish flag pattern. And yeah, we mark it up like that off the 15-minute. This thing's gonna run up. Yeah, the 30's running up. But again, right, when we get these big moves to the upside, sometimes it can pull back down. So, but like I said, we're risk free. Excuse me. Sorry about that. We're risk free here. Grab 30 pips here on the partials, and we got to run a risk free. So let's see. Let's let it run, man. Let it run, gang. If it taps us out of break even, it's all good. We're playing with house money now. I mean, it was like a bubble top formation here on the 1 hour, but it didn't come down to take out the neckline here, and then we just kind of made that move up. Yeah, because we pushed up so aggressively here. You know, it's possible. You know, it depends where we get the closures. You know, we get closures right around this area here. We might continue to push up. So it invalidated this double top formation here. So the fact that it didn't come down and retest at the least, you know, I feel like this reversal up is a strong indication that this thing might want to run up. RTP is all the way at the all-time high. Where's that wick high? I got it off the 4 hour, I believe it was. Yeah, right up here. There it is. Yeah, so our target is at the wick high, all-time high, where we tap at the all-time high right there. That's where I got that the full TP. If it runs, it runs, gang. If it doesn't run, we're good. Once we get to this level here, this is probably the 1 hour top. Yeah, right up here. Yeah, so around that, what is that? Yeah, that 2475.7. When we get up here around 2475 ish, you know, I'll close another half of my runner at that point, and then just leave a smaller runner to run up to TP if we make it that high. But let's see. Yo, this thing is pumping, bro. Look at go. What the hell? I got that volume. Oh, there it goes. We're getting that rejection here. Let's see. We got 33 minutes. If this candle can close above, was that the 30-minute? Let me see. Where did I get that level from? Was it the 4 hour? Oh yeah, I got it off the 4 hour. Yeah, but if on on the 1 hour, we can come and close above that level there. Let me delete this line here because we already took partials there. I just want to focus on this level here. Yeah, that's that 4 hour resistance right here. If that 1 hour can close above that level there, then it's more likely than not we'll fill the range at the very least. But if we get rejected here, again, we might, you know, this thing might flip bearish. It's 32 minutes left, so. But amazing trade, gang. This thing peaked at, what did it peak at? Yeah, it peaked at 50, 53, 51 pips. 51 pips was the peak so far. So yeah, it was a pretty nice trade, pretty decent trade. If we get a closure above here, you know, we'll get the remaining 50 pips up here to run up. I'm sorry, the remaining 30 pips, I should say. Get another bag there. a bullish closure like this as well will still be good. But again, because we're getting that rejection from this level here, the next candle might want to drive down. Might make a top wick, tap into this level once again, and then flip. What do they say? Let's take a look at this real quick. I just wanna. Hey, see, so they're expecting gold to drop further. Gold is steady in the early morning Asian session, but may edge lower in a possible technical correction after the front month commerce gold contract for August. Delivery settled at a new record high overnight. The losses are likely to be limited ahead of the U.S. CPI data due out, later today or tomorrow. And I have the feeling that CPI is going to drive gold up. You know what I usually tend to see with CPI is, I would say, let's say gold could possibly do something like this, right? Tonight, right? Then come down, right? So we might get this level down here retapped, and then with CPI we're gonna rip through. So we might have entries around this 2460 level, in pre-New York. But if we break below, what do we have down here? Yeah, we got 2453. But yeah, for now, that's the range we're in. So this is a level we want to watch and keep an eye on. But they are expecting gold to push further down during Asia, maybe during London. That's usually how it goes. Before any major news like that, we usually get a bit of a correction of sorts. But we already made this pretty decent correction here, and now we're pumping back up. So we might get the push up, tonight. This might be that correction that this statement was talking about. But yeah, gang, another winner on stream today, and yeah. Nasdaq making a pretty decent move to the upside, but not much to go on for now. Yeah, we're getting pushed down here. So we're getting that rejection there. Well, we survived this pullback. We'll see. Yeah, we got about 25 minutes to the 1 hour closure. Let's see if we will survive the pullback here and then continue to drive up. What if this 1 hour, after making this nice push, if it reflips bearish, maybe the break of the neckline here and have that continuation to the downside? If that's the case, then like I said, we have levels down here, 24.54, 24.53. We have that. Then we have levels down here around 24.40 before we see the move up. That's a big drop for gold. If you see the 4 hour made that nice top top wick, and now we're kind of getting rejected here. But I'll wait for the 1 hour closure and see where we're at. We might survive this pullback and then get a bit of a push up. Next candle might make a slight bottom wick and then continue to drive up. Yeah, 30-minute got rejected. Came up, made a top wick, got rejected, and is driving down. So let's see. This could be that push up, small correction, and then another push to the upside here. It looks like gold wants to remain bullish here. We got a nice strong bullish closure. then I think we will definitely see the drive upwards to fill the range. This level right here, this is the level we got to break right here. This is where we're getting that rejection here. 30 minutes rejecting there, 15-minute rejected there. You know, that's that 4-hour resistance getting rejected there. So yeah, this is the key level eventually that we will have to break through it in order to see the rest of the drive up. Yeah, I talked about the rejections that we saw previously on this 4-hour chart, for example. Every time we reach this level, notice how we got that push down, got that massive rejection. Look at that. It didn't stop till down here. Then we drove all the way back up and came right up into that level, and then we got a massive rejection once again, right? But now we're, see how we tapped in right here? So we retapped this level, got a lot smaller rejection, then we're kind of ranging here. So, you know, it's possible. Listen, you know, we keep pushing through. We keep trying to push through this level here. Once we came up and made that all-time high, we haven't re-broke that all-time high. And, you know, it's possible that this third time, you know, like they say, third time's a charm. We might get this reattempt and get the final breakthrough that we need after coming back up. But if not, you know, that rejection can be massive. I mean, we can see gold come back down to 23.75, possibly even down here. Look at this, 23.62. So, you know, let's see. CPI could be a key factor in that push. But I'd say this, currently, this is the small range we're in. It's on the 4-hour time frame. If we break below 24.60, we got a closure below here. Yeah, we're gonna get a decent push down. We might at least grab all this liquidity here. At the very least, you know, maybe tap into this level right here. Was at 23.35. I mean, we can drive down pretty heavily. But I think it's gonna hold here. Because now this candle closed bearish here with this bottom wick getting rejected here, and now we get this strong bullish candle forming this little support level right here at the bottom. And now that we have that support, now we have something inside the range here that we can, look for potential entries even off the smaller time frames. So you see, we formed this support here. Once this candle closes on the 4-hour, if we remain above this level, but if we reflip bearish and it re-breaks its own low, then yeah, then you can say this thing's gonna come down at least to fill the range down here. So that's also possible. I mean, this candle is super young. It's has well over 3 hours left in the candle here. So anything can happen. The 1 hour formed this support here, which lines up with this one here for the most part. And you see, we got these candles. Look at all these wicks here. Wick. This candle wick back down, and then back down, and this one then drove down, and now here we're forming that support. So it's bouncing off where it was rejecting here. So we came down here, now we pushed up, and now we have this little support area around 24.64. Oh, gang, we're coming down here. We might tap break even, but look at that rejection. Oh, yeah, I'm almost at break even here. Keep an eye on it. Ooh. Ooh, I'm still in it, gang. Still in it. I missed my BE by a pip. Oh, all right, gang. Yeah, hit my break even. All right, so we got stopped out at BE there, gang. Yeah, hit my break even on my trade here. All right, gang. Yeah, we caught that push up. It was a very good push up, but it didn't hold. So it goes back to saying I would keep an eye on the 4-hour. If this 4-hour, after making this massive push, again, look at that resistance level. Look at these wicks here. Look at that rejection. We pushed down here, came up, pushed down. If this 4-hour flips bearish, now you might consider, if you're going to be trading later tonight, if this thing reflips, if you can have a sell stop at the break of the current 4-hour lows. Because if this thing flips bearish, it takes out the lows, more likely than not, it's going to drive down further. So yeah, you can expect it to tap into 24.60 if that's the case. But we're done here, gang. We're done. Yeah, we didn't survive the runner hit break even, but yeah, we grabbed about 30 pips or so on that. Some of you might have grabbed a little more when it tapped into this high right here. But yeah, W gang, another winner tonight. And yeah, we're gonna call it a stream here. For my platform traders, we'll definitely be trading the New York session tomorrow. CPI data coming out 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. And again, gang, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys made some money tonight, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. All right, have a good night, everybody. God bless. Peace out.